The case of VNLTO examined the different elements to the Article 26 deemed supply of services rules. In this case, an agricultural organisation carried on non-business activities and incurred VAT on goods bought for these non-business activities. Now, the taxpayer claimed it could recover the input tax on the purchase of these goods as they would be making a deemed supply of services on the non-business use of these goods. They almost seem to ignore the fact that they bought these goods for non-business activity. They tried to establish, well, actually, there's going to be a deemed supply of services rules on these, if you let us recover the input tax, of course, and therefore we can recover the input tax. It just seemed a circular argument. Now, the European Court held that deemed supply provisions operate from the starting assumption that inputs have been incurred in the course of business. There is then a deemed supply under Article 26 if they are subsequently put to non-business use. You cannot treat the non-business use as something which justifies the input tax recovery in the first place. In effect, the input tax recovery comes first. You've got to ask yourself, can I recover the input tax? And if the answer is yes, then you recover it. But if they're subsequently put to a non-business use, then the deemed supply rules will kick in there. So VNLTO, a very important case in that legislation. Many member states have used for many years the Lennart's principle, and VNLTO was very much part of the process of the dwindling of importance of the Lennart's principle. Lennart's principle is effectively recovering all the VAT up front and then accounting for a deemed supply on the non-business usage going forward.